Okay, so on EURAUD, we're always going to start off with our D1 time frame, okay, and then work our way down to the H1 time frame, okay. All right. So on D1, what do we see? We actually see that in PTips, it says RSI is above 50. Yes, it is. It's above 50. And then the dual Bollinger bands, the bands are, the prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands. Okay. So once we see that the prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands, the first thing you want to do is jot down the support and resistance. So how do you do that? Get the recent lows, okay, set a horizontal line, and then also a recent high, okay? So for example, over here, that is basically the range where we will be seeing if the prices will now become bearish or more bullish, okay? So whenever prices are within the 1.0 deviation, please set the support resistance up first, okay? All right, so PTips claims that it's ranging and moreover, it should be more bullish. Okay, I could see that because RSI is still above 50. And then the prices are above MA20, so I can see why PTips claims it's more bullish. All right. Okay, now let's actually go to H4. Okay. All right, so based on H4, what do we see? We see that RSI is below 50. Okay, it's around 50. Okay, we should actually say that it's right at 50, if anything. And then the dual Bollinger bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands. Yes, it is, and it's below MA20. So the note says that it's ranging and more bear. Okay, I could see that it could be more bear. Okay, I also see that there was a gap. So usually gaps are meant to be closed. Okay, so that's something that we have to be very, very careful about as well. Okay, now it's also within the 1.0 deviation bands, right? So that's why you want to actually jot down the support resistances. So take your previous low, okay, and then also you want to set up your previous highs as your resistance. Okay, so technically speaking, it's actually broken above. Okay, all right, it went above. So I would sort of see this as ranging, but more bullish. Okay, less bearish from what I see. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at H1 to be able to see what the market holds for us. All right, so on H1, let's take a look at PTips. RSI is above 50. The dual Bollinger bands, prices are between the top bands. Okay, so this mix is that it is bullish. Okay, this, from what I see, is that it is a very classic bullish mix or indication. So let's now